Good morning, students. So, as we are doing equations in two variable and their solution, we have done different kind of methods like substitution method, then elimination method, then cross multiplication method, and other is graphical method also. So today I'll teach you what is unique solution, what is no solution, and what are many solutions. Okay, please see. Number one, it is unique solution, which is also known as consistent. Number two, no solution, which is also known as inconsistent. And third one is many solutions. This is also consistent. Now how we calculate, how we find? So see here, because this is a1x b1y equal to c1. This is first general equation, linear equation in two variables. So this is the way to write. Okay, so any equation linear but in two variables is written like this. I am writing the second equation also. So this is a2x b2y equal to c2. Okay, for first means unique solution. Suppose we are having two equations, we have to tell whether the given equation has the unique solution or not. Okay, so what we do, unique solution, a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2. So we shall find the value of a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2. If these values are not equal, then we say equations are having a unique solution. Okay, so let us come to the second one. Equations are the same. For no solutions, that means what? But we are having two different kind of equations and there is not any common solution. For that, what we do? Okay, no solution. Okay, what we do? a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2. It is very simple. We shall find the values of a1 upon a2, then we shall proceed to b1 upon b2. Suppose in the beginning these two values are not equal, then no need to get the values of c1 and c2. But if we get these two values equal, then we go for the c1 upon c2 and this value is not equal to these two. Then we say the given equations, they don't have any common solution, or simply we say they don't have no solution. They have no solution. Okay, so now come to the third one. Many solutions. Okay, a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. So beta, when we get all the values, that is a1 upon a2 equal to v1 upon v2 equal to c1 upon c2, so then we say that given two equations have many solutions. Clear? So for many solutions, A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2, they all are equal. So now if we want to represent graphically, how will we represent it? Just see. Okay, so this is a graph. Say this is the graph of first equation. Then we draw the graph of second equation. Let it be. Now you see, there is one point which is common. There is one point which is common. So we write it. Okay, this is origin, of course, x-axis. This is y-axis. So this is the, say this point is P. Okay, so x1, y1. And this is also P, x2, y2. Means this is the common point for both the equations. Okay, so that means whenever we are having a unique solution, then their graph will be having only one point in common. Clear? Okay, so this is the way to represent graphically. Let us come to the second one. Okay, again this is the graph beta. Y, O, Y dash, X dash O, X. Suppose this type of graph comes. You can see here, these two lines are parallel. Okay, but we see here, these two lines are parallel. So this is the graph for no solution. That means when any two given linear equations and two variable, they are having no solution, then we get graph like that, the parallel lines. Clear? So let us come to the third one. Again this is the graph. Okay, so this is again y, o, y dash, x dash o, x. So I have drawn the graph of first equation. Let it be like that. Okay. Now I have drawn the graph of second equation. This also comes as it is. So now what we get from here? These two lines, they are overlapping with one another. They are coinciding. So beta, when we draw a graph of two linear equations in two variable and it comes coinciding, so that means these two equations are having many solutions. So now that was the topic for today. So what we learned, what is unique solution, what is no solution, and what is many solution. Unique solution and many solution, they are also called consistent, but no solution is called inconsistent. Graphically, we have seen unique solution will have one point in common. Many solutions, both the lines will coincide, and in case of no solution, they will be parallel. So that's all for today. So have a wonderful day. Thank you very much.